I'm Jeffrey Kuku. We have a clothing line, Natty Boy Clothing line, with a brand called 16.
Hi, my name is Bethel and I love street fashion. This is my collection.
A Kizach clothing, and really they are lovely collaboration actually. So it's more of like collaboration with three styles and alte. Because as we know, alte is an kind of mixture of old school and new school kind of way.
You got like different nice materials. So the project for today, it's I think what time is it now? Like 7:30. So we're going to start sewing now. Hopefully we end by 4. But we have no idea what we're sewing yet. So we're just going to mix these fabrics to make something nice.
These are the materials we're using for the collaboration. We are kind of doing a mixed cultural kind of style. You know how the alternative style goes. We get to mix materials to get out a perfect outfit.
These design are like unisex. So basically, you can wear what I'm sewing and I can wear what you're sewing. So
Sure.
that's really nice. Thinking tea.
That's the back of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like here like this, right? So to be like a V like this. If possible, we can use a zipper to like just decorate maybe like an old zipper. You guys have something else spoiled. It's break time.
Did they call this biscuit?
Huh?
This biscuit.
It's more, not there's no biscuit, anything. So I slept off and I'm just waking up. But Jeff has finished like 3. I'm still on my own. 1. Yeah, he's fixing his button. But I'm finishing, like I'm just hand stitching this one. But I'm basically done. Okay, so we're done. It was a challenging day because I was sleepy like all day. But I did 1 and he did like 3, so we both know who the workaholic is. This one of the shorts he made.
Designed it actually.
I mean, yeah, but you sewed it now, so there's a difference. But this is short, and I think it's so cute. He actually put this thing last minute, which I think is mad. So this is like the only short we made with 2 tops. So these are all the tops. I've designed something like this before, but not exactly like this. So it's like a crop top, but then it has like these parts falling down.
We call it the flap.
The
Flacco.
Exactly.
Flacco.
I'm still sleeping. And look at the patchwork he did. He did this one too. And then the pockets. Like I love the concept how there's actually a pocket here, like real pocket, and there's fake pocket here. And then we also use safety pins to
Sideways buttons.
instead of buttons, just because vibes. I mean,
And this the one I don't know what to call it, but I think it's the sick flacco because one sleeve is actually longer than the other, and it's a mixture of 5 materials. And here's the back. I didn't do it just like the regular kind of back cave. I left it open just to exhibit this kind of new style. And we have the last top here.
I actually think the color combination for this one is like mad.
It's crazy.
Like the brown, the green, white and black, and it's just crazy, and I love it.
Just nice. And then this is the lady of the house. I
This one I made.
This is a very sick top. I don't think you've ever seen something like this. The same kind of concept of using the pins instead of buttons. This is a kind of like a Dior, Kizach and Natty Boy collaboration.
That's it. Dior should come and sponsor us.
And then we have the back, man. Like
It's
this
the back
is
for me,
the
like, it's the
sickest
back for
part.
me.
love the idea here. It comes with a zipper that gives this kind of feeling like you're opening it to unveil the white material inside.
We have talent.
We need to give her a round of
No,
applause.
we have talent. See, it's what, like, it's what
Crazy,
we can
it's
do.
crazy.
It's what we can do combined together.
This is very nice.
Yeah, I
Actually-
feel like if more designers combine their ideas together, we actually like have nice brands that develop from within our country. So Nigeria is not just totally messed up.
So like guys, we may aim of a collaboration, and I think the outcome will be honored by tomorrow because we'll have a photo shoot,
Yep.
and you guys should really anticipate that photo shoot
Yeah.
alongside it.